Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to beat the incidents in Doomspire Defense, then this video is for you. So if you are playing solo and you want to beat the incidents in Doomspire Defense, so as a solo player, then here is some key strategies for you. First, focus on high DPS and boss counters. For boss waves like Toxic Nemesis on wave 21, use top tier towers such as Galactic Gunner, Heavy Gunner or Hyper Laser to deal massive damage quickly. Downlock Toxic Nemesis with Wizard. Pair a Wizard Tower to consistently stun Toxic Nemesis during its early appearance. This stops it from wiping your defenses. Spam cheap towers as shield. Fill remaining slots with cheap towers, for example boombox or rocketer, to absorb stuns and enemy fire, protecting your high value DPS towers. Use spawn towers for clean waves. Wave bulk enemies are best cleared with spawn style AoE towers, giving your DPS towers time to recharge and refocus on bosses. Here is solo setup example for you. In slot 1, take Wizard for stun control. Slot 2, you should take Galactic Gunner or Heavy Gunner, the heavy boss DPS, for heavy boss DPS actually, damage per second. And slot 3 or 4, you should take cheap AoE or the utility for spawn or the boombox for the buffer and crowd control. So some advanced player even solo with just 4 towers using a similar setup. Here is the tactical tips for you. Save abilities. Hold off using towers specials until a major boss wave approaches. Balanced damage and buffers. Too many cheap towers leave you DPS light. Too few invites boss overload. Focus your build. Pick 1 to 2 boss focused towers and match with stunners plus blockers. The blockers will also help you with stunners and it is a good pair. Now here is the final word for you to solo incident in 2025. Control bosses with wizard stunlock, burn through bosses using heavy DPS towers, use cheap spam towers to protect your setup, deploy spawn towers to clear regular waves. So that's pretty much all thing. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any confusion left yet, then let us know in the comments below and we will help you to complete this or clear that confusion. Thanks for watching. Till next time.